Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain if you can save Elise in Assassin's Creed Unity. The game's narrative is a deeply woven tapestry, focusing on Arnaud Dorian's journey through the French Revolution. Many players hope to change key story outcomes, especially regarding Elise. However, Assassin's Creed Unity presents a fixed storyline, meaning certain pivotal events, including Elise's ultimate fate, are unchangeable by player actions. This design choice emphasizes a specific, powerful narrative experience. Understanding the game's narrative structure is key. Unlike some role-playing games with branching storylines, Assassin's Creed Unity follows a singular, pre-written path. This means that while you have freedom in exploration and side activities, the main story's significant events, including the fates of its central characters like Elise, are set. Her journey is integral to Arnaud's growth as an assassin. The climax of Assassin's Creed Unity sees Arnaud and Elise confronting Germain at the Temple of the Sun. In a desperate attempt to stop the sage, Elise makes a profound sacrifice. This moment is a cornerstone of the game's emotional impact and serves as a powerful catalyst for Arnaud's subsequent character development. It is a fixed, unavoidable part of the narrative. While you cannot alter Elise's fate, your agency lies in exploring the vast, detailed world of revolutionary Paris. You can engage in countless side missions, solve mysteries, and uncover secrets. Replaying the game allows you to experience the story again, appreciating its nuances and Arnaud's complex journey, even though the main narrative conclusion remains consistent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.